Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Alright, so first of all, the most important thing is to make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. So you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you. And then let's enter the Play Store. Second of all, it's important to have your Google account added to the device. And if you've got it, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If not, you have to either do it right now on this Google Play, or you can check our tutorial and do it in the settings of your phone. So it's totally up to you. Let me quickly use the password, as I have to confirm everything. Alright, we've got it. So after entering and being logged, you can see this. All you have to do is to tap in this circle icon in the right upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. Then let's enter Manage and tap on Updates, available right here. And as you can see, those updates are pending, so you can update those apps. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just choose 2 or 3 or how much you need apps to update. After marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.